In this video, I will walk you through on how to change your permalinks. Or basically, if you go to your default blog that you see right now, if I put my cursor over this link, and if you look at the status bar below, the URL has the ending with / p equals 1. So this kind of link is quite ugly. Let's say I click on this link. You can see over here, this is the kind of default WordPress blog link. Okay, it uses the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, and it doesn't even have the title or anything related to the content of the post or the page. So normally people would like to change the format of the links so that it will look much nicer, and besides that, it also increases the chances of getting your post or your pages indexed by search engines. Example, if you go to my blog over here, this is my main blog, you can see even the pages over here. If you look properly, look at the status bar below here. Okay, look at here, you can see that it all ends with just a keyword or a normal word instead of a number. Similarly, it is also the same for my post. You can see here, if I click on here, this link, you can see over here it has the keyword or a normal sentence. It says, are you prepared for an online business? So this will actually increase the chances of getting my post or my pages indexed by search engines. So in order for you to change that, you'll need to go to options, click on this options tab over here, and then click on this permalinks. Okay, let's scroll down. You can see here that the default URL or the default format is like this, just like how I showed you just now. And you can even choose if you want it to be in date and name based, or numeric, or even custom. Now mine, I have my own one, which is custom. And if you want to know more about the text which you need to put over here, go to WordPress documentation on this URL. Okay, pause this video if it's necessary for you, and then scroll down and see this section over here, structure text. These are the text which you can put in: the year, month, the day, hour, minute. But you must remember that it says here, make sure to end your structure with either post ID or post name. Okay, so for example, let's highlight all of these, right click, okay, and let's say I put it like this. So if I put this way, that means my blog URL will be in the format like this: amazingmarketingcenter.com/blog, and then it will have the year of the post, then the month of the post, the day of the post, and the post name, the name itself. Now normally people do not like this kind of format because it's too long, so they'll take the most important sections. The most important or the most common custom permalinks which I've seen nowadays is either the person either uses the tag category, with the post name, okay, or just the post name. Like mine, I'll just use the post name. There you go, this is my own blog, and this is how my custom tag looks like. So it's just the post name, which is why the blog address URL, for example, okay, over here, look at the status bar, it has the path, the full path to my blog, and then after that it's just the post name. Okay, this post name can be specified by yourself. I'll come to this section later on in the later series of the videos. Okay, so it's up to you on how you want it to be done. So I have it just having the post name tag on it. So if you want to have the category tag, then you can just do like this. Or if you want the post name tag alone, then just delete the category tag. So let's see, it's just an example. So once you have done that, you'd like to click on this update permalink structure. Okay, you can see now it says you should update your .htaccess file now. Okay, this is a second step because right now your permalinks are not working properly yet unless you update your htaccess file. So this is how you do it. You can see here it says that if your .htaccess file were writable, we could do this automatically, but it isn't. So these are the mod rewrite rules you should have on your htaccess file, because this htaccess file resides in a directory where I do not allow it to be writable, which is why when I did the changes just now, the permalink structure changes, the system could not edit the htaccess file automatically, so I have to do this on my own manually. So this is how I do it. Now I'll go to my FTP client. So right now I'm in the block directory, so I need to upload a .htaccess file into this directory, the main block directory, in order to make the permalinks work properly. So this is how I do it manually. I will copy all this content, select, right click, and click on copy. Next, I will open a notepad. So from this notepad, I will paste the content in it, and I will save it as .htaccess file. So go to save as, choose the place where I want to save the file, and then on the file name I will choose .htaccess. So the file name must be exactly the same. It must have a dot and then followed by htaccess. Secondly, you must save the file as all files over here. You cannot choose as text document because it will not save as .htaccess file. Instead, it will save as text document. That is why you must choose all files over here. So once you have done that, go to save, and you are done. You now have a .htaccess file. So now we need to upload the file into the directory. Go back, and I will choose my desktop location where I have the htaccess file, which is this. So I will upload this file into this directory. Okay, it's done. So now the permalinks should work properly. So let's check. I'll view my site. Okay, this is the site, test site. I'll click refresh. Now if you click on the link over here, you can see right now it no longer points toward numbers, but it points toward a word. You can see here it says hello world. So this is the name of the post, hello world. Okay, so this shows that it's working properly. So subsequently, when you create your pages and your post, they will all appear like this, and you will have even the opportunity to specify the name of the post which you want to appear over here. Okay, so that's all for this part of the video series.